Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update expiration date in Apple Pay. First, open your Settings app, scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Now, in most cases, your card details, including the expiration date, will update automatically. But if they don't, no worries, here's how to fix it manually. Tap your card, then scroll down and tap Remove this card. Confirm by tapping Remove. Tap Add Card, choose Debit or Credit Card, then tap Continue. You'll be prompted to either scan the card or enter the details manually. Select Enter Card Details manually and type in your name, card number, and updated expiration date. Once submitted, your bank will verify the card. And just like that, your updated card will be ready to use in your Apple Wallet. And that's it. That's how to update expiration date in Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.